Siemens partial discharge monitoring systems are designed to detect and analyze partial discharges in high-voltage electrical equipment such as transformers, switchgear, and cables. Early detection of partial discharge can help prevent equipment failures and ensure reliable operation. The system components include sensors, preamplifiers, data acquisition unit, software, and user interface. Sensors include ultrasonic and ultra-high frequency sensors that detect partial discharge activity by monitoring acoustic emissions or electromagnetic signals. Preamplifiers amplify the signals from the sensors to usable levels. The data acquisition unit collects and digitizes the amplified signals. Software processes and analyzes the data to identify and quantify partial discharge activity. The user interface provides a graphical representation of the partial discharge data and allows users to configure the system and analyze results. The operation consists of firstly, signal acquisition, secondly, preamplification, thirdly, data acquisition, fourthly, signal processing, fifthly, data analysis, and sixthly, visualization and reporting. Partial discharge sensors detect and transmit signals to the preamplifiers. Preamplifiers boost the signal amplitude to improve the signal-to-noise ratio. The data acquisition unit digitizes the amplified signals and stores them for analysis. Software algorithms apply various techniques to identify and extract partial discharge-related information from the acquired signals. Partial discharge characteristics such as magnitude, frequency, and phase are analyzed to determine the type and severity of partial discharge activity. The software generates graphical representations of the partial discharge data, including time trends, phase-resolved plots, and frequency spectra. Users can export reports for further analysis or documentation. Applications include transformer partial discharge monitoring, switchgear partial discharge monitoring, cable partial discharge monitoring, generator partial discharge monitoring, gas-insulated substation partial discharge monitoring, and power quality analysis. The benefits include early detection of partial discharge activity, prevention of equipment failures, improved reliability and reduced maintenance costs, enhanced asset management, and compliance with industry standards. Specific Siemens systems include Siemens U, which is an ultrasonic partial discharge monitoring system for transformers, switchgear, and gas-insulated substations, Siemens HF, which is ultra-high frequency partial discharge monitoring system for transformers and switchgear, and Siemens IL, which is an inductive loop partial discharge monitoring system for cables. The Siemens partial discharge monitoring system is a comprehensive solution for detecting and analyzing partial discharge activity in electrical equipment. By monitoring partial discharge levels, utilities and industrial users can identify potential problems, plan maintenance activities, and ensure the safe and reliable operation of their assets.